Now we will see next article, that is nature of heat and work. Any system loses its energy with surrounding by two ways. Number one, by performing pressure volume type of work, and number two, by losing its energy in the form of heat or gaining energy in the form of heat. Now first we will see pressure volume type of work. Now consider two types of reactions. First reaction is decomposition of liquid hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2. During decomposition of H2O2, liquid water and gaseous oxygen are formed, and before reaction the volume of this reactant is low, but after decomposition the volume increases, and if this reaction takes place in a closed vessel, that is cylinder fitted with a frictionless and weightless piston, then the piston moves in upward direction. That means the expansion of the volume takes place, and thus the system loses its energy in the form of expansion, that is in the form of pressure volume type of work. And now we will see second example, that is reaction between gaseous ammonia and gaseous hydrogen chloride. These two gases forms solid NH4Cl, and thus during this reaction the volume of the system decreases and the piston moves in downward direction. This is called as compression, and thus the system gains its energy in the form of compression, like pressure volume type of work. Now we will see sign conventions used in thermodynamics. Number 1, plus Q. Plus Q means the heat absorbed by the system from the surrounding. Then number 2, minus Q, that is the heat given out by the system to the surrounding. Then plus W means the work done on the system by the surrounding, that is work of compression. That means the volume of the system decreases. Minus W, the work done by the system on the surrounding, that is called as expansion, or the volume of the system increases.